Quick and easy fresh salsa verde. Roughly chop half a white onion. We recommend white onion because the taste is more mild. Peel one medium-sized garlic clove. Roughly chop a jalapeno pepper. Leave the seeds in. Taste a piece. Every jalapeno is different, so it's good to know how spicy it is. You can adapt the recipe by using more or less pepper. Slice the tomatillos in half and remove the core. Remove the bottom of the coriander stems. Keep the rest of the stems along with the leaves. Add all the ingredients to a blender. Add 2 large pinches of salt. Add a 1/4 cup of water. Blend for about a minute. Check your seasoning. Salsa should be a bit salty to distinguish the taste of the salsa from the food it is complementing. Your salsa is ready. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel.